Okay, so what I want to walk through is how to do this step right here in our calculator, and then also how to make sure you can find your R value. So the first step here is we want to press stat. So we're going to press the stat button, which is right here. And then the next thing it says one edit, and I'm just following the steps on the paper. Now we need to enter our X values into L1. If you have values in your list here, if you scroll up to L1 and hit clear, it'll clear all them out. Now we can type our X values into L1, which is 12, 5, 14, 13, 8, 10, 16, 11, 12, 4. And then we want to type our Y values into L2. So 1, 7, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 10. Your values, you should have the same number of values in each of these columns. If you do not have the same number of values in each of the columns, then you missed something someplace. The next step on our paper, it says stat, so we're going to press the stat button again. And then calc, so we're going over, so calc is highlighted. And we want option 4, which is ln reg ax plus b. This is the same idea in algebra with y equals mx plus b, so option 4. And then make sure these are L1 and L2. If they're not, use the second button and down here 1 and 2 to get your L1 and L2. And then we go down to calculate. And then you hit enter. And we're looking for the R here, and you see we have no R. So this is where on your paper, where is my R? This is where this comes into play. So we have to press the mode button. And then you want to scroll down to stat diagnostics. Now on my calculator, you can see it's right here. If you have the gray screen calculator, you probably have to scroll down into the next screen. But scroll down to find it, and you want to go to on. Now make sure it's blinking on, but you have to make sure you hit enter so it highlights it. And then you want to do second quit. Now what we have to do is do these steps again. Now we don't need to retype them in the list, but we need to do the ln reg option again. So I'm going to start at the stat. So go to stat, over to calc, option 4. Everything should still be the same there. Enter again. And now we have our R. So we have our A, our B, and our R, which we had to use for the other problems. Okay, that's all this video was laying out, is how to do that in the calculator. Again, please reach out if you have any questions. Bye.